Very good morning to my lovely children. Children, now take out your journal awareness primer book, page number 26 at the restaurant. Now children, you know what is restaurant, right? Everyone goes to the restaurant with your mama, papa, your family, your friends, and with everyone, you people go, right? Nowadays, due to the corona, we cannot go to the restaurant because of there is the coronavirus is there, so we cannot go out and sit in the restaurant. So let's do what thing we used to see in the restaurant and what we are used to do over there. What work we are going to go to the restaurant. We go to eat food, right? So now we can see the picture of the restaurant. He is having in a hand tray. What is this? The man is reading the menu. You know the menu card, you get the menu card. In that you see what type of food you want to eat, what things the whole menu gives you a different thing, name and everything. Tissue. Then you see the tissue on the table to wipe your hands and everything. You can see meet the delivery boy. He brings the parcel from restaurant to your home. Nowadays the delivery boy only work, right? Because if you want to eat anything, you give to the call to the restaurant, the delivery boy comes to your place and deliver your food. So you don't have to go to the restaurant also, but you get the restaurant food at your place also. So who is he? Waiter. You call na waiter, come here, we want to give something to you. Take the menu. Like this you call to the waiter. Tablecloth. Now you see the tablecloth over here also it's there. Tablecloth means on the table where the cloth is there. Meet the chef. Oh wow. You see who is he? Chef. He cooks meal that you eat at the restaurant. Now what he do, children? He cook food for us in the restaurant. Now when you go to the restaurant, you want to eat something like for example, you like to eat noodles. So what you go to the restaurant, you say, I want to eat the noodles. So who makes? The chef makes the noodles for you. The different type of meal. Every chef knows the every meals. Okay. Now come to the page number 27. Now what is given here? Plate. You can see plate. In that only they serve you the food and then you eat. Glass. See the glass of water. Spoon. Bill. Manager. Okay, this is the manager. Yeah. Now the man is paying the bill. Now he is giving the bill to the person who have eat in the restaurant. Now what he have to give back? The money, because he eat. Now he have to pay the money. So in the restaurant we see this all thing, and you people enjoy, right? Right, you enjoy na in the restaurant. So at the restaurant today we learn at the restaurant. In the previous chapter we have learned at the airport. Now at the restaurant. So children, did you like the topic at the restaurant? I think it will be your favorite topic. I think it will be your favorite topic because everyone likes to go out in the restaurant to eat the food. So I hope you will like this. Bye. Take